Hi guys, welcome back to Kruze Club. Today we're taking a look at the Mercedes-AMG GT63s 4-door coupe. This AMG is powered by a hand-built 4-liter bi-turbo V8 pushing 630 horsepower and 900 Newton meters of torque. Some riffs, huh? It's a tough choice between the Mercedes-AMG GT63s and the Audi Rs7, but after reviewing both back-to-back, I think the GT63s stands out from the crowd. Its unbeatable blend of style, performance and luxury makes it the ultimate driving machine. What do you think? Comment your thoughts below. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.